How to find Steam QR code on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can find Steam QR code on PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Here, if you're already logged into your Steam account, now if you're wondering how you can find Steam QR code, and here's how you can do it. Here, Steam's QR code login allows you to scan a QR code on your PC screen using the Steam mobile application instead of typing your password. So if you want to get the QR code, if you're already logged in, all you have to do is log out of your account, and once you're on the Steam, here click on login option at the top right corner, and in this login page you will have this QR code displayed in your interface. So instead of typing your account name with your password, simply you can scan this QR code from the device or from the application in a mobile device where you are logged in, and once you scan this QR code, you'll be automatically logged into your Steam account on the PC as well. So in this way you can find Steam QR code, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.